Hi students of class 5. Today is the second day. We are doing chapter 2. Last day we have done the types of system software, and today we will do the types of application software. Now first we will learn about what are application softwares. Application softwares are basically used for specific purposes, and they are designed for doing a specific task. There are two types of application software, the general purpose software and the special purpose software. Now talking about the general purpose softwares first. General purpose softwares are developed to specify the requirement of many users. Now the general purpose softwares are developed to satisfy the requirement of many users. They are usually available in the form of package, and they are usually available by giving a responsible price for it. There are different softwares for this purpose. First is the word processing software. Now word processing software means where we can write letters, where we can write biodatas, where we can make reports, where we can make posters. Now for example, Microsoft Word, Word Perfect, Writers are examples of such software. Okay, please turn the page. Next we have the spreadsheet packages. Now the spreadsheet packages are used to manage and organize numeric data, which include a lot of calculation, making some graphs or chart. Example, MS Excel, Lotus 123, and many are there. Next is the graphic software. Now what is graphic software? They are usually used to draw some figures using the computer and the digitally editing it and modifying some of the photographs. For example, Paint, Illustrator, Corel Draw, Photoshop are there, for example. Next is desktop publishing software. They are also called the DTP softwares. Using this software, we can design brochures, newsletters, magazines, etc. For example, PageMaker, MS Publisher, and many more examples are there. Over here, you have to learn the purpose of the software and the examples. Okay. Next is the communication software. They are used to access and surf the internet, and for receiving and sending the emails like Internet Explorer, Netscape, Communicator, Mozilla Firefox are the example of this type of software. Next is database management system, the DBMS. The full form you have to learn. Okay. These types of softwares are used to create and manage a database that can store and retrieve information from the database. It can store the data of the school, like the information about the students, information about the teachers, different subjects taught over here. This type of software keep the record of this kind of information. Lastly, we have the multimedia processing software. Like these softwares are used to create slideshow presentations which can be viewed on screen using the overhead projectors, and example are PowerPoint, Flash, etc. These are all the general purpose software. Now coming to the special purpose software. Now the special purpose softwares are like this kind of softwares are usually made by a particular company or made by a school or an organization for their special need, like the accounting software. Now this accounting software keeps the record of the financial accounts of a company. Billing software. Billing softwares are used in different places like restaurant or maybe a grocery shop or maybe hospital. Bills are given every places, so different kinds of bills are given in different companies, so each company can make their own bill and give it to their customers. Payroll software is used to prepare the salary of the employees. That means different company give different types of salary to their employees, so different company need their different payroll software. Stock and inventory softwares are used by the companies to keep the track of their stock, orders and their sales. School software, they keep the track of the attendance, the performance of the students, the details of the students are kept in the school software. Lastly, we have the ticketing software, like when we book the ticket for a flight, for railway, for bus, for different purposes, different ticketing softwares are there. So in this part we already finished the general purpose software, then we did the special purpose software. So you have to learn the different features of each type of software along with the example of that type of software. After you finish till here, you will write and learn page 25. Let's recap. And with this video I will give you the link for the question answers of this chapter. Book exercise, you will do it in the book with a pencil, and the copy, CW copy. First you will write the page 25, let's recap. Then you will write the computer CW questions that are given in the PDF file in the link. Okay. So stay at home, do the work. Bye bye.